Finally out of the hotel, had breakfast, took a nice hot shower, washed my hair. Now I'm headed to Wristbuddys because I wanted to check for alternative straps for my Omega Seamaster. They have some interesting materials or fabrics like rubber with sailcloth and all of that. So I'm just swinging by their office to try on a few straps and see how they work with my watch. Right, we're out in the open, treading through snow again, looking for the Wristbuddys office. So I arrived at Wristbuddys, which was just around the corner from the metro. For some reason, Google Maps made me walk all around that place. Yeah, because the deploy and clasp is really nice. I mean, what it loses out with the curved ends, it makes up with the clasp. Okay.
So hopefully in the beginning we will have, or in the future, I mean, we will have them both in with clasp and without. I really think this.
Oh,
that,
the length also can be adjusted. I was wondering how that's happening.
Exactly.
Have a good one.
It was
Enjoy
good seeing
the
you.
weekend.
Yeah. I'll see you. Bye bye. So I got my strap swapped on the Omega. Man, that was so cool. Okay, I'm so excited. I forgot to throw my jacket on. So I literally had to come out of that station and take a right over there. That's where the Wristbuddys office is, around the corner. But maps took me from there all the way there, made me cross into the park, come out from here, and then go down around there. This was Stockholm. I'm now gonna go back towards Gamla Stan and T Central. Was a pair of the OG Nike Zoom Spiridons. Unfortunately, they didn't have my size. They had a half size up, and I prefer going true to size on them. As you guys can see, it is 3 p.m. Yeah, with that new Wristbuddys deploy and clasp. Okay, fate brought us to Frankie's. Let's try out their burgers. Cayenne pepper sauce for the Cajun fries. So Katya recommended, and so did Gel, Girl in the Dragon Tattoo tour. So me, being me, and I stress about being on time, I came to check where the assembly point is. This is the one. So that's marked. I'm pretty sure this is where I was the other day when I went to Carhartt, because I remember this thing, this beam or pillar. It's a nice area down there. That's Ria's favorite churro stall that we ate at last time after shopping at Uniqlo. The last signs of Christmas before it all comes to an end. And a skate rink right there. Having a hot coffee in winter, standing by a beautiful city center, Free Square. So grateful for this. Cheers. Man, for the amount I skip walking back home or in Dubai, compare that with how much I'm walking out here. 15,000-20,000 steps a day. Breakfast today. That's my view. fresh out of the shower. I got changed as well. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing as I was for breakfast. Waiting for my phone to charge as I head out now for the tour. I'm going for the Girl with the Dragon Tattoo movie book tour. The original one, so everything that's the Swedish one. So her favorite tattoo studio, the cafes that they would hang out, their house and all of that. Also the author's some key areas. Anyway, it's 9:15 and this is how it is outside. Not too bright, not too gloomy either. This hotel is actually pretty well situated, you know. It's barely a 5-minute walk to the metro, so that's nice. Yeah, the lights are off because I thought I'll just get accustomed to the gloomy weather. All right, it's snowing lightly. Gotta say I'm proud of myself for getting my ass out of the room. Can you see the light snowfall? Wow, this is such a beautiful city, especially in winter. It's a little tricky when the floor is wet because it gets super slippery. Despite me wearing a pair of Salomon XT6, they have decent traction, but it's still slippery. It's a good thing I went and checked out the venue last night, so I'm a little more confident.
In the actual sequence of the film, the one with Daniel Craig in, of course, this is where you will actually see the location inside. Have you read any of the books?
No, I have the attention span of a goldfish. So.
And there'll be people of your same age group here. And this lady up here, this is Svea. She is, particular one was where Elizabeth Salander would come here and get her Billy pizzas. The Millennium offices were based in this street. In the film it had Millennium stuck on the side of the door.
Right.
They use this location.
Oh, okay.
And on the other side is a really, really nice view of the city. Ljusvägen, which was close to where the old place where Elizabeth Salander grew up.
Just use this place as the...
That's right, but the address was used by Stig in his books.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
As you can see, there's quite an impressive mural on
It
the other
is,
side.
yeah.
Yeah, that's right. This is the name. It's called Adat Jizrael.
Right.
So they use this as a location. Very, very similar to, like, in a way, like the Hindu system, where you've got different gods for different sort of functions.
Oh, his actual place of residence.
Yeah, I think his partner still lives here, actually. Apparently he lived here. Relationship with her,
Right.
and not with Elizabeth.
Right.
She bought him this very expensive leather. This is an apartment here.
This one?
Yeah, it is.
No, it looks like a church or something.
Yeah, that's right. I think it was built in a sort of Gothic style, but no, people live there, and it's I mean, we looked at the price of one of these here. I think it was this middle one, and about 20 years ago it was about £1 million.
Okay.
And this whole island is called Riddarholmen.
Okay.
So this building on the end here, that's it's like a gymnasium and also a school if you're learning law. And this one is just called it's Stockholm Cathedral, actually, the one with the pink tower. That's the other name for it.
So it's not just the government, it's also the churches and people in general that look out for the...
Yeah, and their Salvation Army
Right.
as well. You know, it's a cute little gadget you got there.
I'm shooting and I want to focus back on myself, and then there we are.
As well, you know, if you're lucky enough to get a Nobel Prize and invited to the dinner, that's where it happens there every year.
Right.
Poking out with a greenish roof,
Yeah, yeah.
lots of snow on it. That was the law courts. So at the beginning of The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo, it was in that building that Daniel Craig comes down the stairs and he's being interviewed by the press. Yeah. So Stockholm is built up with 14 islands basically.
Right.
And these are like the major ones. This area is called Kungsholmen, which means
Right.
King's Island. This is Gamla Stan over here.
Right,
like I
right,
said.
right, yeah.
And this is Riddarholmen. So this really makes up the older part of Stockholm.
Wow, that's like 103 years old?
Yeah, that's right.
No, I just thought I'd get the entrance.
We know for a fact we're not here.
Oh, yeah, I can see.
Can you see his name?
Yeah, I can see Stig. Right. Oh, so he's cremated and then his remains are
Yeah,
there.
that's right.
Right, so.
So the urns are inside. Where I am.
Alright. I'll probably just walk around and explore this place a little bit. This is a really high escalator. Look at that. So I'm at the Arcteryx store and I'm trying on women's pants. It's weird because I picked up a woman's shirt yesterday at Uniqlo and now these are super cool. Well, that was an impromptu stop at Arcteryx. After Uniqlo now, I'm gonna try and get my pants that I picked up yesterday altered in length. I should have done it yesterday, but I'm anyway going back because I want to pick up one of those airism tees at the same time. Probably get the pants tailored for length. Well, I decided to walk back to the hotel. It's about 3 kilometers, 20 or 30 minute walk, I guess. But you know, I'm chilling and walking. Runny nose because it's cold, -9. So yeah, I went to NK, which is Nordic Companions. Got my receipts stamped. They had some really killer Stone Island on sale. We are midway because I know the metro stop Hotorget, whatever that is. It's 9 p.m. I'm heading out to this bar. It's a rum bar. They do rum cocktails. Gonna have one drink, grab a bite. I just sorted out my bags, did all of the, not the packing really, but the basic packing, so that tomorrow I can just reorganize it and be good to go on Sunday morning. You know, for customs and all of that, you gotta keep your things available handy in case they want to check it out. It's -12 right now. Oh man, I mean real feel is -12. I think the temperature is -9, but not too bad. I can still manage. Nothing a rum won't fix, but looks like a nice place, all lit up and cheerful. Can't wait to be in and be warm. Thank you. That was one delicious meal. Every single thing on the plate. The beans, the corn, the steak, the potatoes. So delicious. So flavorful. I mean, I would go back again if I had enough days, but I just have tomorrow night and probably want to try something else.